Hey everyone, if you're new to Grok AI and want to get the best results, today I'll show you the top prompts beginners can use to get fast and accurate answers. First, go to the Grok AI website and log in, or create a new account if you don't have one. You'll need an account to start using prompts effectively. Start with simple, clear questions. For example, explain the concept of blockchain in simple terms. This helps Grok AI understand what you want without confusion. Use prompts that ask for step-by-step guidance, like, show me step-by-step how to solve this math problem. This is great for learning processes or coding. Prompts that ask for examples work really well. For instance, give 3 examples of effective marketing strategies for small businesses. Examples make answers more actionable. You can also ask Grok AI to compare things, like compare Python and JavaScript for beginners. Comparison prompts help you decide between options quickly. Don't stop at one question. Use follow-up prompts to refine answers, ask for alternatives, or clarify details. This helps you get exactly what you need. Finally, experiment with prompts and personalize them for your needs. The more you practice, the better your results will be. And that's it! Using these beginner-friendly prompts, you can get faster, more accurate answers from Grok AI. Hope this helps you get started, and yeah, have fun exploring. Hey everyone!